Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Anna Rocks. So, in my today's video, I am going to tell you all about some facts on the 5 dwarf planets that we discussed in our previous video. So, we are going to know about the facts on the following 5 dwarf planets: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Hermia and Makemake. So let us begin with our video. First, let us know about Pluto. So Pluto is a dwarf planet present in the Kuiper belt, lying beyond the orbit of Neptune. It is the 9th largest and the 10th most massive known object that is known to directly orbit the Sun. It is the largest known object lying after Neptune, but it still is slightly less massive than the other dwarf planet called Eris. Fact time. Pluto was first discovered by a young research assistant in the year 1930. Second, Pluto is smaller than the Earth's moon, but is larger than all scientists previously thought. Third, Disney's Pluto, the dog, was named after the former planet. Fourth, Pluto has a heart shape present on its surface. Fifth, Pluto takes around 248 Earth days to make one revolution around Sun. Now let us talk about Ceres. So Ceres is a dwarf planet present in the asteroid belt lying between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Ceres is the largest object present in the asteroid belt that lies between Mars and Jupiter and is the only dwarf planet that is located in the inner solar system. It was the first asteroid discovered on 1st January 1801 at Palermo Astronomical Observatory in Sicily and was announced as a new planet. Fact time. Ceres' radius is only about 296 miles or 476 kilometers. One orbit around the Sun takes up about 1,682 Earth days or 4.6 Earth years to Ceres just to make one revolution around it. The first dwarf planet visited by a spacecraft was also Ceres. Ceres is heavily cratered with large amounts of ice present underground. Ceres makes up almost a third of the asteroid belt's total mass, but it still is far smaller than the Earth's moon. Now let us talk about the dwarf planet, Eris. So Eris is one of the largest known dwarf planets present in our solar system. It is about the same size as Pluto, but is about 3 times farther from the Sun. It is the most massive and the second largest known dwarf planet present in the solar system. Eris was first discovered in January 2005 by a Palermo Observatory-based team. Fact time. Eris was almost considered as our 10th planet. The discovery of Eris led to the classification of dwarf planets. Unlike Pluto, that has about 5 moons, Eris has only 1 moon present. Eris orbits the Sun at an average distance of 68 astronomical units. It completes one rotation around it in every 25.9 hours, making its day length similar to that of the Earth's. Eris is currently positioned as far as around 14.5 billion kilometers from Earth. Now, let us talk about our fourth dwarf planet, that's Haumea. So Haumea is the third largest known dwarf planet present in the Kuiper belt, the region of space beyond Neptune that contains larger dwarf planets like Eris and Pluto. It was discovered in 2004. Haumea is named for the Hawaiian goddess of birth and fertility. In September 2008, the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, designated Haumea as the fifth dwarf planet. The radius of the small world is only about 816 kilometers. Fact time. Sometime early in its history, another Kuiper belt object collided with Haumea obliquely. This collision knocked away most of the ice which would have been outside of Haumea, leaving just rock covered in a very thin film of ice. The oblique impact caused Haumea to spin rapidly, due to which Haumea spins very quickly on its axis. A day on this really small world would only be about 4 hours long. Because of its rapid rotation, the world is flattened into a somewhat egg-like shape known as ellipsoid. Now let's talk about our last dwarf planets, that Makemake. Makemake is a dwarf planet and the second largest object present in the Kuiper belt, with a diameter approximately 60% that of Pluto. It only has one known satellite. Makemake, along with Eris and Haumea, was responsible for Pluto's drop in status from a planet to a dwarf planet. Though Makemake and Haumea are just smaller than Pluto, Eris is way more massive. The dwarf planet series found in the asteroid belt is the smallest out of all of them. Fact time. Astronomers thought that Makemake would have developed an atmosphere that would be similar to Pluto's. Its chance passing in front of a bright star in 2011 revealed that it mostly lacks a gas envelope. If present, Makemake's atmosphere would likely be methane and nitrogen based. Makemake is a classical Kuiper belt object, which means that its orbit lies far enough from Neptune to not be affected by Neptune's gravity, unlike Pluto is, and will remain stable over until the age of the solar system. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all like this video a lot. So do not forget to comment down below, share, like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.